Hey there, privacy enthusiasts. Ready to take your online security to the next level? Today, we're going to delve into the world of V2ray NG VPN and discover how to set it up with SOC servers, creating a powerful, secure, and potentially faster internet experience. SOC servers, acting as a second layer of protection on top of your VPN, provide an extra shield for your online activities, making them even harder to track and potentially improving your internet speeds. Step 1. Installing V2ray NG VPN. Start by heading to the Google Play Store and searching for V2ray NG VPN. Once you've found it, install the app onto your device. This app will be our gateway to a more secure online journey. Step 2. Accessing the home screen. Open the V2ray NG VPN app. You'll be directed to its home screen. Step 3. Selecting the SOCs option, tap on the plus button, which is typically found in the upper right corner or at the bottom of the screen. From the list of options presented, select the SOCs option. This is where you'll integrate the power of SOC servers into your VPN setup. Step 4. Creating a SOC server. The app will then display fields where you need to enter your SOC server details. Before we do that, we need to create a SOC server account. Step 5. Accessing the UDP custom website. Open any search engine like Chrome and search for the UDP custom website. Launch the website that appears in your search results. Step 6. Selecting SOCs. Servers on the UDP custom website. Locate the menu button, usually in the top left corner. From the menu options, choose SOC servers. Step 7. Choosing your SOC server. You'll be presented with a list of SOC servers located in various locations around the world. Carefully review the options and pick a SOC server that best suits your needs. Remember, choosing a reputable SOC server provider is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security. Step 8. Entering server details. Transfer the details of your chosen SOC server, such as the server address and port, into the V2ray NG VPN app. Ensure all information is entered accurately. Step 9. Saving and connecting. Once you've entered all the necessary information, save your settings. Now, return to the home screen of the V2ray NG VPN app and tap on the play button located at the bottom of the screen. This will initiate the VPN connection using your chosen SOC server, effectively enhancing your online security and potentially providing a faster connection. For continued support and engagement, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Leave a comment if you have any questions.